Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Delphine and today I'm very happy and excited to meet you again for a bag unboxing. It's from a brand that I don't know actually, or I've never tried. It's the first time I have a bag from them. They're called Rabeanco, and if you've been following my channel for quite some time, so you're not probably gonna be surprised so much by the shape, at least, of the bag, because in my past wish list and so on, I've been like looking at bags of this shape for quite some time. I'm gonna show you, we're gonna do this unboxing, and we're gonna check the quality, all of that, this packaging, all of this information. It came in this box. It's kind of, as you can see, shiny white carton with like the brand name like reflected. It's also written on the side. Looks quite pretty, quite cute. You have this system. Inside there is this plastic. So this, I have a mixed opinion on this, because on one hand I feel like this doesn't look very luxurious, and on the other hand, Rabeanco is a brand now based in East Asia, so it shipped from quite far, and okay, I'm happy it get protected. So let's open it. I'm gonna tell you all about the price and everything. So okay, now there we have this little silk paper with the logos. I like, very nice, very, I don't know if you can hear the sound. Very nice. Okay, dust bag. This is for me actually more important than the rest, because I'm not gonna keep the box, but I'm gonna keep obviously the dust bag to store my bag or when I travel around and so on. The dust bag is again white. The brand names on it again white and black. Feels like a nice nice cotton. Nothing to say. Yeah, it's like this kind of moon crescent shapes, you know, like I was looking for such a long time for such a thing. If you follow my channel, so you saw I looked at some, there's a very famous option. It's not exactly the same design, but there's like the same style is done, for example, by Prada. I considered it at one point. Pollen also has one, though with a little twist that they call the tonka. And yeah, I was like hesitating so much, and I got this one. Before I go further and we have a look together at all the details, I even brought my little thing that we can check in details. I did not purchase it just for the purpose of this bag. I have it because of my hieroglyph reading, and sometimes, you know, hieroglyphs are like so small. But first, let me tell you a bit more about the price, the name, all of this kind of information. So this bag is called the Nina Crescent Mini. So it also exists in a bigger size. As I said, it's from the brand Rabeanco. I will show you. Normally we can wear the strap in 2 different lengths, and I kind of like also the system. It retails for 287 euros. So it's not very expensive. It's a brand. Most of the bags retail between 200 and 500 euro. They also do sales and discounts, so some of those bags could even drop under 200 euro. So it's definitely much more affordable brand, which is for me very nice. I've been purchasing a lot lately in this price range, like brands like Longchamp, Furla, Pollen. Obviously, this is all the same price category. Although I feel like this is a bit cheaper than, for example, than Pollen, because I don't think Pollen has much anymore under 200 euro. Furla and Longchamp, well, Longchamp has some actually, but not full leather, because this is also leather. This is cow leather, 100%, except obviously the hardware in this part, but you see what I mean, right? So I think from a price, it's very nice. Full disclosure, the brand contacted me and sent me this bag. I was looking for 3 things. First, I need to be able to give my honest opinion, and we're gonna look together the good and the bad. I'm gonna tell you everything. There will not be any holding back or anything like that. The second point, I also Googled them, and I had a look at some reviews, especially in terms of quality, and comments were really good. So that was for me a very nice point, because this is, I don't care so much about the price at the end. What matters most to me is the quality. And if I can have good quality and more affordable, then that's nice, right? And then the third thing is obviously that there was a style that I was interested in. You know, I'm not gonna take a bag if I'm not gonna wear it. And they had even actually quite a lot of colors. I was hesitating a lot. They had like a kind of pink one also that looks really, really cute. They had it in white, but I now have my demalie in white, so. But I did not have like this beige kind of color. I think it will go with everything, like even today, you know, with my dress, that could look very nice. So yeah, very happy about it. And a bit more about the brand. So it's a brand that actually originated in the 80s in Milano. They were specialized in leather accessories for men. And then in the 90s, 2000s, they started moving towards East Asia and women's handbags. They opened even their first shops in Hong Kong and Singapore and all of that. They say now that they have like more than 30 shops and 40 distribution centers. So, it's really an established brand, but they're mostly famous or mostly known in East Asia. Let's keep going. So there is a label which is attached with this nice little ribbon. I like it. I don't need to go pick a pair of scissors. Nice. Okay, then the strap is protected with this plastic. I'm gonna just take it out, and I find very nicely, you see everything is very well protected. There's also like the little plastic thing that got slightly torn now when I remove the thing, so it's still very nicely, everything is nicely protected. I like to peel off these things, so I'm very happy that they have these. And as you can see, so there is this double system now it goes very smoothly inside. Okay, I was like, that was one thing I was wondering, how smooth it will be, if I want to change, like will I have always to fight and everything, but it feels very nice, very smooth, very sturdy, because so you can wear it long strap, long length, or the shorter length. Okay, it looks very, very, very nice. Okay, all is very smooth, very well done. There's not like some cracks, sometimes in this finish. There's not little, from the sewing, sometimes you can also have like a tiny bit of something still, which has actually, I've seen on luxury bags, sometimes a friend of mine had that in her bag, like on one of the stitches, there was still a tiny bit of the thing. Here you don't have any of that, which I like. There's here this little effect, so because I guess there's a pocket. The brand name here, I like that it's also very discreet. When you wear your bag, you will see it a bit here, as you can see, but it stays very discreet. It goes very nicely, so I think I will probably wear it more with a long strap. But if you would want to wear it, carrying it by hand, let's see how it looks like. It's nice because these are heavy. They made them heavy. This is clever. It's very clever. So the strap stays like nicely done. It does not. You see how it comes back? Like, yeah, that's very good because the bag is heavy. So when you're wearing it around, then it's not gonna flop too much around, which I think is nice. Okay. I have no bad comment to do from the outside so far. I'm gonna open it a bit more that we can see a bit the inside. Nice. Okay, now I open it. Let me see. Wait, let me feel it with the zipper. I went too fast. Okay, nice and very smooth. Zipper, big one. So okay, I have also a protection here, and there's on the zipper also the brand name, which is nice. To be honest, it's a lot of little details like that, which are good. So inside there's obviously a lot of paper, which is good. That keeps the shape of the bag during transport. Okay, then we have inside, let me show you. So there's this little pocket that's now opened and with a little zip. Okay, how can I show you? Yeah, here. So you can see there's this zip which is protected at the moment. There's like a label inside. What is written inside? Okay, this product was carefully made by craftsmen in accordance with the characteristic of natural leather material, the presence of minor flaws and so on. Okay, this usual disclaimer. Then, okay, they say that with normal use, the leather could fade. You know it. When you store your bag, protect them from the light. Genuine leather. Okay, we have all these labels inside. Okay. Yeah, it looks very nice. I'm not necessarily the biggest fan of having this huge label inside, to be honest, because I don't know why. So I'm most certainly gonna cut them out. So that's a good thing, though. You can just cut them because I don't know. I don't see why you could have put all of that in a little, I don't know, in a little card that you would have slid inside or put it somewhere where it would have been more discreet. Otherwise, it's quite roomy, actually. I mean, obviously, it's not a huge bag, and it's a mini bag. I'm not gonna carry my life in it. I will make, in, I think, a few months, a review of the wear and tear, what I could fit in it. Because I find sometimes, like, if now I just try, maybe it's gonna work, but I want to see with the daily use how much actually end up putting inside. I don't know if you see what I mean. So I'm gonna show you when I will do a review video of wear and tear use, and probably I will show you how I wore it, also some looks, some outfit ideas and everything. Especially now the summer is coming, so it will be nice. There is also the brand name here, Rabeanco. So here you have the pocket, and you also have the pocket with the zip. Yeah, I mean, the leather inside, it's, as you can see, it feels a bit like thread. The inside, it's very butter smooth. You see how I can like it's very flexible, but it's not thin. It feels quite thick. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm actually quite happy with the overall quality. The smell. Okay, it smells maybe less good than some luxury brands. You know, some luxury brands, they have like this specific smell and so on. This does not smell particularly good. I'm not a big fan of the smell, but again, that's not really a big deal. It will be gone in 2 or 3 days. And if it's not, then I'm gonna tell you in the review video in a few months. But I will expect this smell to be gone. But yeah, I don't know what you think. I don't know if you knew the brand. I think it's a very lovely bag. And I'm very, very happy. And I think I'm gonna actually wear it today because it's gonna go perfectly with my outfit. Yeah, it's great, you know? Yeah, and so that's it, guys. I'm finally the proud owner of like this kind of moon-shaped bags. And if you have any question, also don't hesitate to tell me in the comment section below. Anything you would like to focus me when I do the review video, wear and tear and so on. Any point you would really like me to tackle, then also tell me in the comment section below. If you have other bags from the brand, then please tell me, because yeah, I mean, I don't know, I did not know them, and I'm very happy. I'm gonna keep an eye also for them when they do new releases. Might purchase some of their bags also later on again, because yeah, it looks really nice. Yeah, and so that's it for this video, guys. I will leave you here with another one in case you have not seen it yet. And if you've enjoyed this video and you would like to see more, you can gladly subscribe to my channel by clicking there. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.